here we are. This is the first of many cooking with Tom videos. So I just sprung this on him last minute, so we're not prepared. So we're at Mark's right now. We're going to, ow, fuck.
That much?
Okay, we've also drank a lot. Well, I have drank a lot. Tom just got here. I need you to tell them really quick what you're cooking.
3 cheese chicken penne pasta.
Okay,
Be there.
that's cool. All right, so what do we need?
Pepper. Cream cheese.
Okay, that's
I need heavy cream.
Heavy cream, all that's in the dairy aisle over here. Let me see. Heavy cream.
Okay.
Yeah. You got bacon?
Oh, shit, bacon.
Right there.
And then grab 1 tomato.
Okay, so we just left Mark's and we got all of the ingredients that I don't have at home. So basically I called Tom and I'm just like, I have chicken and I want you to cook dinner. This is like a normal thing. He just pretty much comes to the house and usually throws together
some random shit.
a masterpiece with whatever random ingredients I have in my house. But today we are showing out for YouTube. So we went and picked up the ingredients we need to make, what is it? It's not penne.
3 cheese chicken. I guess it's different kind of pasta, but it's not penne.
3 cheese pasta.
Well, technically it's 4 because I want a bunch of cheese.
4 cheese pasta.
4 cheese chicken pasta.
We're freaking it. We're just creating our own shit.
I'll
All
freak
right,
it.
so 4 cheese swirly pasta is what we're calling this.
Swirly pasta.
Because it is swirly.
Tricolor.
Tricolor.
Tricolor pasta.
Tri pasta. 4 cheese tri pasta. Chicken, which Tommy's doing the tended strip. Show him how you do it, bro. Wait, I can't see. Nice. And G's playing daddy daycare.
Bubba!
Hi, Bubba. Hi, Harlow. So we have the whole family here.
Are you serious? You driving a 4x4 truck while your wife is out here with your fucking daughter in a fucking front wheel drive car in Ohio, Northeast Ohio. Hey, fuck them kids. Let me tell you something. Fuck them kids. I am so sorry that he's so fucking cheap. Unbelievable. Hold on, here he is.
Garlic powder, which I don't measure.
A little garlic powder.
A little bit of Tony Sriracha's. A little bit of that. Some adobo. Do some adobo.
Adobo.
A little bit of this.
What is it?
I don't know what the fuck how to say that. I don't know.
Okay.
A little bit of the 3 cheese Italian dressing.
Right here. She said, huh?
We'll just mix this up. And this is we'll let this marinate.
For how long?
At least an hour. Or until your patients lose patience.
Okay.
With a little bit of oil.
What are we making here?
I'm just gonna a little top for the baguettes I'm gonna make, the butter.
Sauce for the...
A little bit of sauce for the bread. A little bit of onion, garlic powder, a little bit of parsley flakes. And we're gonna throw this in the microwave.
Wait, wash your hands.
Get out of here.
Gee!
What? I'm trying to.
You gotta let me know an hour before.
Same thing, we're gonna cut them.
So if it started, you're gonna have so it's warm.
We're gonna cut these.
Gary?
Italian bread, cut them.
We're doing Goya bread.
Outside. There you go. If I do sazon, yes, because I hate having my hands stained orange for 3 days. A little bit of bacon. I cut a little bit of bacon. A little bit of bacon cut up. Let that cook down. There you go. Okay, heavy cream. Right there. Pour this in there. We'll do about that much.
This over here. What is this?
That's our peppers.
And what else?
This is the
Peppers
garnish.
and butter?
This is the garnish. Yeah, this is the garnish. It's on top. It'll go on top. This is the garnish.
So it's just peppers, butter, and seasoning.
Pepper, butter. Yeah, 2 peppers, butter, and seasoning. I'm going to transfer everything to one pot and then cook down and then vaya. Got that one. We're going to do a little bit of cheddar. A little bit of Kobe Jack. Not a lot, not a lot. Just a little bit of cream cheese too. Just a little bit of cream cheese. We're waiting for this to turn real quick.
Guys, say hi to my YouTube channel. What up? What up? G, how you doing over there?
I have a baby in my hand.
The cheese, put that in there.
Just eyeball it.
Oh, fuck, leave it a little more.
And this is what kind of cheese?
A handful. And then a little bit of cream cheese to thicken it up. We'll do that much. And then we let it cook down. Let it cook down. And then I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning in there in a minute. Just let it cook down.
5 cheese, swirly pasta.
Come on, kiss. Come on, kiss.
What about me? Will you give me a kiss? Aw, thank you. Ooh, my edits are so fire. It's like this, you could go like, you know, and it's like a. Who did this?
I don't know. James caught the whole pizza box apart.
How?
He was wondering if a pizza in the box will stop a box from catching fire. I told him yes, it was still catching fire. Look at where we're at. There's so much food everywhere.
Good?
It's better.
Be honest, bitch.
She's a good mix of both.
Let's wait. This is cheese sauce.
That's it.
Pasta. Once the pasta comes in, oh shit. Hold on. I gotta chop the chicken.
You got a what?
Chop the chicken.
Joey!
Whoa. Listen, Leon.
God.
Chill out.
What is this?
Cheese sauce. You good?
Oh my god, it's so good, bro. It tastes like straight cheese, like queso.
Cheese sauce.
Can you guys be less savage? That's delicious. I haven't had it yet.
A little bit of salt.
Bring that over here.
Come on over this
Let me
way.
tell you something.
Where's your
Water
other
is wet.
stackies?
Right? Let me tell you something. Take a dry piece of dirt, you put a water molecule on there. One water molecule. It's wet, right? You go under water, you got multiple water molecules. Multiples. It's wet. Water is wet.
Thank you for that.
Ended up being 25. Like, you can't do it. Well, that, I put it in the
Butter, oil,
It was on
onion powder, garlic powder, and some parsley in the microwave. And some Italian berries.
I'm good at it. It's not a fucking happy.
Here's the onions. Toast, about 10 minutes. Right together.
She does that. She runs into walls. This is her thing.
I wanted about 5 days.
Whoa, what if you cut off your finger? You're going so fast.
Let me just. Cheesy.
No one beating my light on
Bring
light.
it no more.
Cheesy. Alright. Hold up. Keep it on.
What?
Add the chicken.
What's this? Don't see the light.
Bitch, you better hope I never run across a man. Go with Aubrey. Go with Jamie for a minute, please.
Clean it up.
Okay.
Clean it up. Look at the phone's at.
Come here.
whatever this is. Hold on, pause it. Look at
This is G's.
Alright, wait, hold on. Look at that.
What?
I'm giving G some extra chicken. I'm gonna give G some extra chicken.
Wait,
Give
that-
G some extra chicken.
But that's the one I wanted to record.
Okay, wait, let's G some extra chicken right here. But then we come over here. A little bit of peppers. A little bit of bacon on the side right here. A little bit of bacon. And a little bit of tomato. Right here in the middle. And then. Little garnish.
Ooh.
Oh, and the baguette.
Serve it. Ooh.
Well, fuck you and your bowl of fucking shit. Which one's yours?
Wow, this looks really healthy.
Look at you.
So much. Can I get a cup of water?
Oh, the bread. The bread. The bread. Take a bite. Of the bread.
Pick up the heat.
What?
There you go.
What is this?
Eat it.
If you make it, can I not have an orange on top?
What? It's peppers. Nan, you love peppers. Just try it.
Is mine?
Okay, can I get your first bite? I'm getting everybody's first bite. Are you hungry? Sit down, baby girl, so you can eat.
It's definitely really good. It's very like. Okay, is it a Hispanic origin type dish?
Give me the peppers. Please. She wanted to. She wanted to.
So, everyone ate. Overall, in my opinion, this is my all-time favorite dish. I love pasta. He has a famous.
Which is
he
weird.
has a couple
And
famous
I cook
dishes.
a lot of shit, and this is her favorite. My first time doing this, so.
Listen, because I have a thing for fresh garnishes and the fresh tomato, fresh parsley in the pasta with the cheese sauce. I mean, it's all of my favorite things. So, grilled meso.
Look at this kid yelling and shit.
Grilled meso pasta. My all-time favorite now. There will be more, many more of these.
Friday.
Look at my stomach.
On a Friday.
Look at my stomach. I look pregnant.
On a Friday is Badia.
And Barrio Tacos on Friday.
Badia Tacos Friday.
And if you are
And hold on,
into,
we're doing vegan and beef Badia Tacos Friday.
okay, so we're getting technical. So if you're into all of this, you're into learning how to cook with the squad, follow. It only took how many bottles of Hennessy to cook?
3, hold on.
3?
3 and this one.
A quarter. So, stay tuned.
Cooking with Hennessy.
Thanks, guys.